In this video, what I plan on showing you is how you can set up a discussion forum in Vision. Now, discussion forums can actually be a very valuable and useful tool. They're very flexible, so I've seen teachers use them for offline book talks. They can use them synchronously or asynchronously. There's a number of uses that you can use for discussion forums. You can use it to create a knowledge base so people can ask questions and other students can answer those students' questions. So it could almost be like an online tutoring type of area as well. So the way that you're going to set up a forum or discussion forum on your Vision course is first you're going to navigate to a course where you have instructor rights, and you're going to turn editing on. Notice mine says turn editing off, which means that I already have it turned on. And you're going to find a topic where you'd like to add your discussion forum. I'm going to add it to topic 2. I don't have anything in there right at the moment, so I'm going to click on add an activity or resource. That's going to load this window, and if you scroll down, actually you probably don't even need to scroll down a little bit, but right in the middle there you'll see forum. Go ahead and click on that, and it actually gives you a rather large description of what the forum is, how you can set it up, some different uses for it right here. Go ahead and click add once you've assessed and read all that type of stuff. And now we're going to give it a name. I'm just going to name this test form. And what I typically end up doing is just copying that and pasting it right here. Now, there are different types of forums that you can have. You can have a simple discussion forum, where each person is required to post, a question and answer type of forum. We're just going to typically use a standard forum and general use. Now, some of the other things that you can do is you can set up subscription and tracking. So if your students have provided an email address in their profile, you can have anytime that a post is put in there, it sends in an email. So right here, you notice underneath subscription and tracking says optional subscription. If I want to force that an email be sent to every single person in the course, I can hit force subscription. This means that every time somebody posts, an email will go directly to all of the participants in your course. You can also set it up so that they can um, uh, auto subscription, so that they are automatically enrolled in getting the emails, but if they want, they can opt themselves out. There's also read tracking, which is a useful tool. I usually turn it on for people because it identifies what they have read and what they have not read. It makes it a little easier for them. So if I scroll down and I hit save and return to course, now you'll notice in topic 2, I have a test form. The nice part is that anybody in the entire course can add a new discussion topic. Teachers, instructors, as well as students. Now there is a discussion forum where only teachers can post, and that is a default discussion forum that is put into your course as soon as it is created. Right up at the top, you'll always see a discussion board, and it usually says announcements or news forum or something along those lines. And if I go ahead and click on update, I'm going to show you the differences between this news forum and the one that we just set up. You'll notice right here where it says forum type. Before we had a drop down where we could select the different type of forum that we wanted to use. You'll notice right here it says news forum. All right. The only person who can post in a news forum is a teacher with non-editing rights or an instructor. All right. Students cannot post in this news forum. So what I have seen quite frequently is people just go ahead and rename this to whatever they want their discussion forum to be, and then they're perplexed as to why students can't post in it. All right. If you want something where students are going to be able to post, you have to create an entirely new discussion forum. You can't just rename the news forum. So those are the two types of discussion forums that you guys can have. There are a number of uses that you can use for them. It's really just limited by your creativity. So hopefully you can see some value in the discussion forums, and that would be it for the discussion forums.